Hello forex traders, this is your boys back here, and guys, today I come with a sad story, but hold on tight because there is still a light at the end of the tunnel. Basically, I lost my funded FTMO account, I lost my funded Nest account, I lost my 50k FTMO account, which was the challenge that I think in some of the previous videos on my channel I documented it, so you guys can go and check it. All right, that I was doing the challenge, was going well, and I lost the challenge. All right, I lost the account of the challenge, and I lost my funded account too as well. Now, there's two reasons why I lost them, and that is what I'll be exposing to you guys. I'll be telling you guys why I lost them. It wasn't an improper risk management, because I tried to keep a good proper risk management in my trades, and with respect to the strategy that I use, I can compound over time, and so I try as much to use a proper risk management. I'm always on point with using a good risk management with my strategy. So what happened is I lost the account. What happened is, one, I found myself in a very bad market condition. Something that honestly I already knew how to go around that situation, but I think I was just doing too much. Maybe I would say I overthink a lot. I ended up doing too much. All right. So that is it for you guys. I mean, at the end of the day, it's gonna happen. You understand me? It's gonna happen. You're gonna have losing streaks, because that was a very particular condition whereby market wasn't consolidating nor trending. But I knew, as I told you guys, with respect to my strategy that I use, I knew exactly how to maneuver my way through that condition. But as I told you guys, I probably believe I was overthinking. That was the bottom line. So I ended up doing a whole lot of things that I think I could have avoided. All right. So that's the first thing. Second thing is I had some issue going on in the house, and I've noticed this pattern that every time that I have that type of issue, all right, going on around me in the house, something bad, I hate to say it, but something bad happens to my trading. All right. First time I discovered my strategy, back in the days, I made a lot of money. I was going to withdraw it. So when I got to that same environment, when that same environment was created in the house, I lost all the money. Guys, like all the money. So long story short, I forgot that type of strategy. I wasn't able to withdraw my money, and I thought that the brokers are against me. I was quite immature at the time. Anyway, the second time too was when, I got a pass funded Nest, first phase, second phase, and I had to go and register with funded Nest. I got to this environment again, and funded Nest came up with the excuse that, hey, listen, your account is, we saw that the IP this and that, and I said, you know what, I'm not playing with you anymore. So take whatever thing you want to take. All right. So yeah, with funded Nest, that is what happened. I ended up in this environment. Basically, they didn't give me the account. They didn't give me the account because they said I was located in I was under different IP, so they couldn't give me the account. So I left funded Nest in their own world. The last time is when I just blew this account, all right? And that is like last week, all right? I blew all the accounts. Please don't get me wrong. The market condition too was bad, all right? But as I told you, with respect to my strategy, I could have maneuvered my way through the whole situation and make it out, because at the end of the day, the market ended up trending again. You understand me? You guys know that I use the indicator on gold, so I use it to trade on gold. All right. So I ended up losing all those accounts. All right. Let me show you guys where everything went wrong. In the market conditions in which everything went wrong. And I will show you guys that there is always hope at the end of there's light at the end of the tunnel. All right. Good, as they say. So here we are. Let's use the funded accounts. So everything happened on the 17th of September. All right, 17th of September. As I told you guys, this setup here is a setup that I knew how to maneuver my way through it. All right, with my strategy that I use, I knew how to maneuver my way throughout this setup. All right, but then with the market condition, let's make this clear. Not that I wouldn't have taken some loss here and there, but to lose the whole account, no. All right. So yeah, I ended up losing the account as I told you, because of the whole thing that I was going through and stuff like that. So I ended up losing the whole account. Anyway, good news is, before I give you the good news, guys, you guys remember that I did a video where I explained to you guys why it's important to have your certificates on the wall, right? I explained to you guys why it's important to have your certificates on the wall. And what did I say? I said that it is a constant reminder to you that if you did it before, you can do it again. If you did it before, you can do it again. So, honestly, I wasn't worried about the whole situation, because I knew that what I discovered, if I implement that, I would do 10 times better than, it's funny. I knew that I would have done 10 times better than I previously did. You understand me? So I was just waiting for the right occasion. As you guys can see, I've passed the first phase of the challenge, and this is the second phase. All right, the second phase, I have to make only 5%. You can currently see it here. Okay, so this account is the verification account, which I'll take you guys there. This is the certificate FTMO gave me for passing the first. For passing. This is the certificate they gave me. You see, 30th September. All right. This is the last one that I got, and this is the current one. Can we open it? Okay. So here is the certificate. All right. As you guys can see, 30th of September. All right. Which happens to be today. All right. So I just passed the first phase. So guys, as we said, the first one is, it is normal to lose prop firm accounts. All right. So don't beat yourself up when you lose a prop firm account. The second one is you can have losing streaks, okay, and it happens. But if you have your good strategy and you trust the strategy, you will know that you will always come back to the top. All right. Third thing is, all that you see behind me is very, very, very important. You understand me? The constant need of reminding yourself that if I did it before, I can do it again. And that is what brought me here. You understand me? I wasn't afraid to pass the challenge. I wasn't nervous of pressing the buy or the sell, because at the end of the day, it will become like playing a game. Do you understand me? I see trade. I have to be cautious of how I say this. All right. Now, when you grow to the level whereby you are there in trading, all right, to the way that I see it, I see trading to be a game. I see it as I'm playing a chart game. Do you understand me? So when the moment is up, when the time is up for me to shoot, I don't have to hesitate, because we are dealing with probabilities. The trade that I'm in right now, it could go up, it could go down. Who knows? I took trades like this and they went against me. But guess what? This one that I took is going in my favor. Who knows? It might reverse and hit my stop loss. I take the punch, we move on. That is how it is in trading. All right. So guys, I hope this video was able to inspire you, for you to understand that first, go through the process, have a good strategy, understand it. Once you have the strategy and the strategy has proved to you that it can make money for you guys, keep on going with it. Go hard, all in. All right. You will make it at the end of the day. You will make it at the end of the day. All right. Just believe and trust the process. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for your time. And I'll go by the name is back. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure that you do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content that I'm putting on the channel and bringing out to help you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you did enjoy this video, please do me the favor to hit the like button so that it will help the algorithm. All right, guys, having said that, I will leave you here for now. Okay, so see you in the next video. I go by the names back. I prove this.